Hi, good afternoon. I'm Dawn Johnston, and I'm the procurement supervisor for North Penn School District. I just want to thank you for joining us today and taking time out of your schedule. Today is Friday, May 24th, 2024, and it is 1 p.m. We're here today to open the bids for the desktops and laptops for 2024-2025. And before we get started, I just want to review a couple of quick items. First of all, I have Tony Bickert here, who's the Assistant Director of Technology, joining us for the bid opening. I have Sandy Burke, who is off camera, and she's assisting me recording the information as I'm reading the bids to open. And please be aware that this meeting is being recorded. We are asking that you keep yourself muted until the end of the bid opening. And please hold your questions or comments until that time. I will share the screen, or actually Sandy will share her screen after we are finished opening all of the bids, just so you can get a brief glimpse of all of the bid openings. And we just ask that you remain muted until that time. And we will let you know when it's okay to ask any questions or make any comments if you have them. We do anticipate this bid being awarded at the board action meeting that's going to be held on June 20th, as long as everything is in order. So with that, I'm going to get started opening the bid. We did have 5 bids, so a really good response. And the first one is going to be Bloom. Okay, we have a non-collusion affidavit. We have the vendor's qualification statements. We have a bid bond. Okay, and then the bid is as follows. For the Acer Veriton model, the 35 quantity, the unit cost is $707 for a total of $24,745. And then for the Acer Travel Mate P4 model that we have 75 quantity, that unit cost is $863 for a total of $64,725. And the grand total for the bid for all the equipment is $89,470. Can I put that in there? Okay. All right, just hold on 1 second. We're having a little technical difficulty. Okay. I'm just going to reread the items on. Sorry, I'm new.
just letting you know you're still muted. We didn't hear who you're opening.
I'm sorry, the next bid is from One Nation. And we have a non-collusion affidavit, vendor's qualification statement, there's one here. Oops. It's unclear if there's a bid bond here. If there's not, then we'll just have to touch base with them depending on the outcome. So that the bid is for the Acer Veriton quantity 35, $944 for the unit cost, for a total of 33,040. And for the Acer Travel Mate P4s, for the 75 quantity, the unit cost is $1,144 for a total cost of $85,800. And the total for all the equipment is $118,840. The formula's not right. Okay. Sorry, we just have to fix one thing. We have another issue.
A times D area. No.
Exactly.
A times D, whatever. Okay.
I apologize for the long pause. Just trying to get this fixed. All right. Hopefully that is good now. So 33,040 was that last one for the Acer Veriton, and the Acer Travel Mate was 85,800 for the total, for a grand total of 118,840. Sorry about that. All right. The next one is from Hypertech Direct. Alrighty. So there is a non-collusion affidavit and a vendor's qualification statement. And there is, let's see. It's unclear if there is a bid bond with this one. We'll have to double check that one as well. Finding it. Okay. I'll have to double check that one as well. For the amounts on this, the Acer Veriton 35 quantity, the unit cost is $724.10 for a total cost of $25,343.50. And the Acer Travel Mate P4s for a quantity of 75. The unit cost on those is $774.04 for a total of $58,053. And the grand total for all that equipment is $83,396.50. Finally got it down. Okay, the next bid is from MicroAid. There's a non-collusion affidavit. There is a vendor's qualification statement. And there is a bid bond. The Acer Veriton model 35 quantity, $727.75. The Acer Travel Mate, the total for that quantity 35 was $25,471.25. And the Acer Travel Mate P4s, quantity 75. The unit cost is $900.68 for a total of $67,551. And that is a grand total for all the equipment of $93,022.25. And for the last item, we have Riverside Technologies. Okay, we do have a bid bond. It's right here. Let me search for it. There's a non-collusion affidavit. And there are vendor's qualification statements. For the Acer Veriton model, 35 quantity, the unit cost is $741.07 for a total of $25,937.45. And for the Acer TravelMate P4s, the quantity 75, a unit cost of $899.09. The total cost being $67,431.75. The total bid for all the equipment is $93,369.20. And that concludes this portion of recording all of the information. We'll share that screen with you. And just let me know if you can see that once it's shared. And that is all of the bids. Can you scroll to the left a little bit on that so we can see? Won't let you. Okay. All right. Does anybody have any questions? No? You can stop sharing. Okay. Just want to thank everybody again for joining us today, for opening the bids for the desktops and laptops. We do really appreciate it. And thank you for submitting your RFP and response. And we will be awarding these at the June 20th board meeting as long as everything is in order. And we'll be in touch with the winners shortly thereafter. So thank you very much and have a great day, everybody.